Hey everybody, it's me, Greg Manarino. This is my post-market wrap-up for Monday, October 23rd, 2017. A very interesting day in this market, if you ask me, and I'm going to cover some of that. So, all three major indices today closed lower. Nothing major. Again, the bond market isn't flashing red or even yellow just yet. But the trading action was kind of suspicious, and I want to tell you all about what I did today so we can make some sense of this. I mean, metals were all over the place. Did you follow this? The metals were up, they were down. I think the market is kind of confused a little bit. Again, we got a ton of earnings coming in this week, and that's going to set the tone moving forward. There's no doubt about it. And again, always watch the bond market. Again, I've been out here for so long telling you all to do that. You have to understand that the stock market kind of always lags behind what the bond market is doing. In fact, not kind of, but it always lags behind what's happening in the bond market. It's kind of like late to the party all the time. Think of it along those lines. And what I have done is put up, this is absolutely free. So if you're not taking advantage of this, there is, again, something very wrong with you. Go to my website, traderschoice.net. Right side of the page, just under my chat room, you're going to see a real-time chart of the bond market. You can even set it to 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes. Play with it. And you can watch them if cash is flowing into and out of the bond market. This is not just important for traders. This is important for stackers as well. If you see cash going into the bond market, more than likely it's going to be going into precious metals as well. All right, if cash is coming out of the bond market, it's probably going to be coming out of the fake paper derivative market of gold and silver and into the stock market. Now, again, market behavior today, kind of suspicious. It doesn't really know what to do. It's waiting for earnings here. I told all of you in the earlier video that I did today, I opened up a small position like I always do, and I outlined for you in my free brief exactly how to do this on my website. Again, traderschoice.net. Small initial position just to dip my toe in the water here. And despite the fact that I opened up that small position, calls on the Qs, I took up a small hedge on it just to protect myself in case the market decides to roll over here again. Bond market isn't saying anything yet, but we'll see what happens overnight and into tomorrow. I did buy puts, December puts against IBM today. We'll see how that plays out too moving forward. So let's keep an eye on these markets. Either way, and however you want to look at it, there's opportunity, and that's what this is all about. Whether you want to trade this market, look at the bond market, see what it says the stock market is going to do. Again, bonds act first, stock market acts second. Same thing with metals. Bond market first, metals second. So just knowing this, you are way ahead of the curve. And I'm sorry it took so long for me to get this up on my website. It just was difficult. I set it up nicely for you. It's very simple to follow. Save the page and refer back to it. I don't know, 1,000 times a day. It's free. You got nothing to lose here. With that said, we're gonna follow this moving into tomorrow. Earnings are going to be coming in right now. I'm missing some of it because I want to get this video out. And throughout this week, huge week for earnings. So it's going to move this market one way or the other, and you and me, one way or the other, are going to capitalize on this, whether we're adding to our stacks, whether we're trading this market, but we're going to watch the bond market first. All right? Go to my website, traderschoice.net. See all of you tomorrow. Over and out.